Hi, you are watching Trans Voice Tuesday, where every week I help trans, non-binary, and gender questioning folks find a voice that aligns with their identity. And this week I have a very exciting announcement. If you're struggling with voice dysphoria and feel anxious or nervous when practicing your voice, or even thinking about starting your voice transition, this is for you. So it is super common to feel stressed or embarrassed when engaging with your voice. And these emotional reactions, even though we know that they're not helpful, can often become roadblocks to achieving the sound that you're seeking. Now, if this resonates with you, I have great news. I've actually teamed up with Crooks to bring you a workshop on how to overcome the emotional and mental roadblocks that voice dysphoria puts in the way of finding your ideal sound.
Hi, I'm Katie. I am an expert with 20 years' experience in navigating the subconscious blocks that hold you back from using your voice. And I would love for you to join us for this free 60-minute workshop on February 23rd at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, where I'll be talking to you about why these mental roadblocks happen, what you may be doing that's not helping, and what actions we can take to overcome them. I'm so excited to meet you, and I can't wait to see you there.
Great, so this free 60-minute workshop is going to be held live on Zoom on Wednesday, February 23rd at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now, whether you want to attend live or you just want the replay sent to you after, click the link and enter your email. I'll see you there. Bye.